Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the channel where art swings into action with color, fun, and imagination. Today, we're teaming up with everyone's favorite web-slinging hero, Spider-Man, as we draw and color his awesome car and his cool superhero pose. We'll create his legendary spider logo, his high-tech Spidey car, and of course, Spider-Man himself ready to leap into adventure and save the day. So grab your pencils, markers, and energy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and help this channel grow, because your support makes every superhero drawing possible. I begin the outline of the spider car, giving it a sleek, strong shape that looks fast, fearless, and full of web-powered style. I add large headlights shaped like Spidey's eyes, smooth curves along the sides, and web patterns stretching across the hood to make it unmistakably Spider-Man's ride. I include small details like the tires, web shooters, and even the cockpit where Spider-Man sits, making it look like this car could speed off the page at any moment. Finally, sketching the bold Spider-Man logo, a powerful black spider symbol sitting proudly against a glowing orange background like the rising sun of justice. I color the headlights with bright yellow to make them glow, and the wheels with dark gray for a realistic, action-ready look. I fill the entire car with Spider-Man's classic red and blue colors, blending them smoothly to capture that perfect superhero balance of strength and style. The web lines get a deep black shade, making them stand out like the real spider webs that shimmer under city lights. Finally, I fill the spider logo with a sharp black tone against the bright orange circle. Bold, powerful, and full of superhero energy. Now it's time for the main hero, Spider-Man himself, swinging in with all his web-slinging power and energy. His head is tilted slightly, his large expressive eyes full of focus, showing the determination of a hero who never gives up, no matter how high the stakes. Sketching his heroic pose, one arm stretched forward shooting a web, while the other is tucked back, giving him that perfect mid-swing action stance. I carefully add his web patterns across the suit, making every line connect perfectly to show the precision and design that makes Spider-Man so iconic. Next, I fill in the blue parts of his costume with smooth, cool tones that blend perfectly with the red, showing his agility and hero spirit. Coloring Spider-Man's suit with his signature bright red, making sure each section glows with energy and life as the webs stretch across it. I leave his large eyes bright white with a soft black outline, making them stand out as the focal point of his brave, friendly face. And finally, I add soft shadows around his body and web line, giving the illusion of movement, like he's leaping right off the page into action. And there we have it, Spider-Man and his amazing spider car, ready to race through the city, fight villains, and keep everyone safe. We brought his power, his style, and his courage to life with every stroke and every color, turning this page into a scene full of action and heroism. Remember, even the smallest sketch can become something incredible when you draw with heart and imagination. Thanks for watching Zoonitoons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me keep creating more fun, colorful adventures just like this one.